Sup guys, so we're back today at the Squid Shop, Squid Shack, still unsure. But today's video is all about this sucker. Now, as you can see, this one is extremely worn. I have had this for over 3 years now, I think. Basically, just doing R&D, like testing it out, literally trying to break it. So this used to say speed socket on here. It's not the official like branding or anything like that. They literally just slapped it on there, probably so I knew what the hell it was. Okay, you guys won't be able to see, but basically inside of that is a spring-loaded clip, and all your wheel nuts, or 5 at least of your wheel nuts, stay inside of it. So on the RVM3, I have been religiously running these, and I've just got a dunger old rim on here. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys exactly how this bad boy works, and they are now available to the public, which is pretty cool. They sent me a package, which I have right here, and we're going to see what the new one is, because, oh, don't look at that. Because the design has changed a little bit, and yeah, we're just gonna run through everything about this today because it's pretty cool, and I honestly think everyone's gonna end up with one, especially in the drift scene. I think all the FD dudes are definitely gonna get on this because we've got time limits now on how quick you can change your tires, and this makes it so much quicker. All right, let's open the package and grab our Snap-on rattle gun. This will be interesting because this bad boy will pretty much break anything. Whoa. Look at that beast. Let's get to it. So first thing we are going to do is read the instructions. Inspect your studs, clean and remove any of the debris. Dry lube studs before applying these. Wheel nuts. Apply nuts by hand first time to assure that you have the right thread pitch. Okay. We don't have to worry about that because I've got used nuts on here already. Look at these. So this is the pack of nuts that come with it as well. These ones have Squid branded on them. Thank you, boys. Such a good personal touch right there. So these are it. I don't know if you can see that. BRE, and then it just tells you the thread on it. And then what they're made out of. Ooh. And this is the bad boy that you want. Speed socket. Oh, I like them. They're so tamper-proof stickers. Oh, look at this. Stucker. I can chop that. Look at it. Oh, I see what they've done now. So they've actually etched it in. So it's like part of the actual socket now. Yeah, right. Oh, and they've also got the size. We'll see in the end. So this is what it comes with. Instructions. Please make sure that you follow them because they actually have instructions of how to use them to begin with. Let's begin the fun part. How's that for a setup, eh? How's that? Alright, so let's give it a whirl. It's very straightforward. You literally start buzzing nuts off and you go straight over the top of the other one. So you get the first one off and it goes straight in there. It's held in there, and yeah, you simply just jump on the next nut, go straight in, and it just is like a cartridge. It just stacks them all in there. Just keep going. Rattle gun is obviously way overkill, and yeah, very uncoordinated with it at the minute. Okay, so For those wondering if you want to get the nuts out, it's very simple. Just get a screwdriver, push in the back, and you can knock them all out. And then you have your nuts. So if you want to take the rims off and leave the car with no wheels on, you put the nuts straight back on. And then it's as simple as just loading them straight back in if you want to use it again. But I've never taken them out, never really needed to. If you want to put the nuts back on the actual hub, it's so much quicker taking the wheel off and then just buzzing it straight back on. And you're done. So yeah, I don't think you really ever need to take the nuts out of the actual cartridge itself, but yeah, you can if you really need to. So there you have it. There's the Speed Socket. The guys at Speed Socket are giving you guys a discount code. Sorry about the light there. Squid 15 when you're checking out, and that will give you guys a nice little discount for your first purchase of this. And honestly, yeah, it's a full game changer. Like, I've never used another socket, well, in the last 3 years I haven't used another socket on, especially on the rear of this car. Like, it's a no-brainer. Oh, one thing, if you have long studs, right, so for the drag dudes or the burnout guys that have studs because they got massive freaking tub wheels or whatever, for the long stud dudes, right? So when you're putting it back on, you roll it. So you put the wheel back on. You simply do what I did just before with the rim off. As long as you're like putting full pressure on the rim, buzz it on a few turns, nut will stay there. And now you can go the whole way in. It's like no one's studs are going to be longer than that. So yeah, then you just go in. Seems almost snapping my wrist off. And that's how you combat that's how you combat the long stud problem if you believe that's a problem. And yeah, the only thing people keep saying to me every time I've seen them, well, every time I've used it and people have come up and gone, what the hell, where are the freaking nuts getting stored? And after I show them, they go, oh, they'd strip as soon as you bloody try and buzz them on. But I seriously haven't, like in 3 years, I've actually been trying to strip them. I know that sounds stupid, but when the boys at Speed Socket asked me to R&D it and literally try and break it up, you know, you look at it as like a challenge, especially being a drifter. So that's it, guys. What I'm going to do now is a little test. I believe the owner of Speed Socket holds the record for getting a rim off on the ground and then putting it back on. I've kind of set myself up for failure here using a multi-stud rim, but yeah, we'll give it a crack. No more excuses, Squid. All right, here we go. Oh my God, that was a fail. Sorry, that was my bad. You're all gonna think I did a heap of takes on this, and so far I've done 3 because I haven't been able to get it on properly. All right, well, no more takes. This is the last time. Here we go. That's terrible. That was bloody terrible. Not having it. We're doing a rerun. I'm using a Quip. Quip won't let me down. I gotta get this time down, that's appalling. All right, let's give it another crack, eh? Okay. A quick time. Heavier rim. Oh, shut up, Joe. Just do it. Just freaking do it. All right, here we go. Go. No. Bloody suck it up. Never gonna get a job in FD. Oh man, that last one I didn't have lined up properly, cost me all the time, just sitting there spinning. There you go. Yeah. Yep. I need to brush up on my skills, maybe less driving, more tyre changing. I'll be extremely shocked if all the FD boys don't have these by the end of this year. Alright guys, don't forget, Squid15 discount code when you check out, and I'll put a link down below directly to their website and another reminder as well about the discount code, so enjoy it. Alright guys, thanks heaps for watching and we'll see you very soon. See yous.